So let's move to our terminal and create our controller. So we have the controller, which is the holiday. So you can name it anything you want. So I will name it holiday. And what else? So here let's link it to the model, which is holiday. So let's hit enter. And we need also the request. So the request is update. So here let's change it to update holiday request. And we need another one for adding. So here update, let's change it to add. And hit enter. And we are done. So let's open attendance, and so let's open the attendance and the holiday. So the attendance is the same as the holiday. So let's copy from here and paste inside our holiday controller. So here we need to change the model to holiday, and here holidays. Okay, so what else we need? So we need the next one, which is create, and create is the same as the attendance. So we need also here the employees, and we send them to the holidays dot create. So let's import the model, which is the employee. So next we have star. So the star, we will not check if the holiday exists or not. So let's copy just the create method and change it here from attendance to holiday, and here we need the request. So add holiday request. So don't forget to import it. And what else here? So we need holidays, and we need to display the message, which is the holiday created successfully. So next we have show. So here we need show. So we will display show, or we will display the holiday inside show view. So let's copy and paste here and change it from employees to holiday, and we want the holiday here. So next we have the edit, and edit is the same thing as create. Just copy from here and paste here, and we need to change it to edit, and we want to send also the holiday that we want to update. Next we have updates. Updates is the same as the star. Just copy from here and paste here, and here we can use the request, or not the request, but the holiday that we want to update, and we call the update method. Okay, and once updated, we change the message to updated successfully. Finally, we have the destroy, and we will add another function, so we can download the holiday request. So we will add it later. So for now, let's add only the delete, and here deleted successfully. So let's check again and see what we have here. So we have the first function, we get all the holidays and we send them. Next, we displayed create form and we send employees. Next, we create the holiday and we send the admin to the index page with success message. Next, we show the holiday. Next, we get employees and we display the edit form. Next, here we need the updates. Update holiday request, and we validate data and we redirect the admin to the index page, and finally we delete the holiday and we redirect the user or the admin to the home page. Okay, so now we need to move to the requests and we need to add the validation rules for our holiday model. So let's do that now.